Well, Danglers, that just happened. Flipped the damn kayak. Total yard sale. Luckily, it ain't too terribly cold out here. What's up, Danglers? Back on the water again. Out here at Marine Creek. See if we can't get on some bass today. As you may have seen in the previous video, it's been a little tough. So hopefully today, with the overcast, slightly warmer night, and front moving in later this afternoon, fish will be biting. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Like, share, hit that notification bell. Really helps out the channel. Also at the boat ramp, ran into two other YouTubers. Go check them out. Low Key Fishing and CeeLo Fishing. Real cool guys. They've been having the same struggle I've been having, they said. We're out fishing last night until like 8 o'clock. Got one bluegill, I think is what they said. So it's not just me, makes it feel better. So stay tuned and let's rip some lips. Finally got one. Not a bad fish for the first fish of the day. Hell yeah. Take them. That's to make up for falling in the damn water. Hell yeah. Come on. Where are these fish at? One of these times, you're just gonna put it right in front of a fish's face. And you're gonna have no choice. Little midday update. One fish, one swim. So I think I'm gonna tie on a spinnerbait. I like to use the uni knot. I do 6 wraps. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There we go. There's one. We got another one, Danglers. Another taker. So wait. On the fluke again. Money. Like same size too. Another good looking bass. See if we can't get in there, get some more. There's one. This feels like a pretty decent fish too. Oh yeah. Haven't seen it yet. This is a good one. Oh yeah. Great fish. That's what's up, danglers. That is what's up. Hell yeah. There we go. Now we're talking. Yes, sir. Money. Short little fat guy. Not a good kayak tournament fish, but good for a boat tournament, I suppose. Awesome. Yes. Fishing these reeds right here, man. Fishing the reeds. Slow pitching in there. The old tried and true fluke. Real, what is it? I think this is sexy shad. Pretty natural bait fish color. 3 in a boat so far. Still been a tough day. I mean, it's like 1 o'clock, caught 3 fish. Windy, cold, wet. Oh well, what can you do? Let's try to catch some more. 3 fish so far. See if we can't get a few more in the boat before we have to make the trek across the lake. Had I not fallen in the water earlier, I probably would have went all the way north. Let the wind take me back to the boat ramp, but I didn't want to get that far away from the boat ramp, not knowing how I was gonna feel after drying out, you know. Still pretty chilly. I think my fellow YouTubers are still here. We're probably the only ones out. Only ones on the water. Got the lake to ourselves, but still tough. Windy, a little chilly. The water's still 61 degrees, so that's perfect. That wind wasn't so crazy. I mean, look at that. There's white capping out there. Oh, there's another one, danglers. Is it coming is the day coming around or what? Ooh, he's a little jumper. Gotta keep him down. He's gonna try to spit that dang old hook. Don't go getting in the trolling motor. Ooh, this is a nice one. Nice. Heck yeah. coming around. Money. I think they're getting a little bigger each time. Just a little, not by much, but enough to notice the difference. He's so good. He was gonna try to spit it, but he wasn't gonna be able to. Turning around. Turn the day around. Splish splash, I was taking a bath, then I was catching me some bass. Heck yeah. Beautiful. All right. That sexy shad getting her done today. Right there. See if we can't do some more damage. There seems to be a slight pattern here. I may just keep going up and down this bank. Go down it until it gets windy as all get out, and then come back through. See if we can't get one that we deserves to be on the scale. I warm up a little bit each time I catch a fish, at least mentally. Can't believe I fell in the damn lake. At least it was on a warmer day. Ooh, that felt like a little tick. What's up, Danglers? I tried to do an outro video while on the water, but it was just way too windy. Had to get off that lake. After falling in first thing in the morning, coming across that lake, white caps and stuff, it was not fun. Did manage to catch a couple fish, so that's good. You know, had I not been wearing my life jacket, it's hard to say. It might have been all right. I mean, I fell out in shallow water right along the dam, right up against the rocks, but that 60-degree water was definitely a shocker. Luckily, the water temp and the air temp were both right around 62 degrees, so didn't get any hypothermia setting in or anything like that, but it could have been. So always wear your PFD and stay safe out there, man. Don't be trying to lean out the side of the kayak like I was. It was totally my fault. Shouldn't have been leaning out of the kayak. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video. And we'll see you next time.